Alright guys, so you probably click on this video because you're interested in ballet. You want to try ballet, or your daughter is taking ballet, and you're thinking, should she or I should do it for hobby, or should we do it for profession? Well, she should do profession, you should do for hobby. So let me reveal the truth and tell you what your daughter should do, and see if the ballet is actually good for you if you want to try it for hobby. Let's do it. It doesn't work. Right? How do they do that? Ballet is a beautiful art form that offers many benefits. Whether you're looking to become a professional ballet dancer, enjoys it as a hobby, or want to improve your physical and mental health, there's many reasons to try ballet. When we hear the word ballet, we hear people say, oh, it's beautiful, or some say it's hard and it's very painful. Some say it's for girls too, but not really. Whether or not someone should take ballet class depends on their individual interests, goals, and physical abilities. Ballet is a demanding form of dance that requires a high level of strength, flexibility, and control. It can be very beneficial for improving posture, balance, and overall fitness. Additionally, ballet can be a great way to express oneself artistically and creatively. If you're interested in ballet, first I recommend to start with a stretch class. A reputable teacher who knows about ballet, not just I've been taking ballet class and I know, but really with intense experience in classical ballet, knowing the syllabus. Or a doctor, talk to your doctor to check if you have a medical condition may prevent you from doing any movement. Who should pursue ballet and why?
Number one is you want to become a professional dancer, classical dancer. You wanted to become an artist. Ballet dancer, it's a career close to becoming, I would say, a doctor or lawyer. Even that is harder than becoming doctor or lawyer. And I'll explain why in my future videos.
Start early. It's the best to start ballet training in the young ages to develop the technique and physical fitness. Most inspiring dancers start at the age of 5 and 6 to build that flexibility and strength. Find reputable academy. Look for the school or academy that has a reputation of producing a professional dancers. This will provide you a training and experience that you need to become a professional dancer. Study with the right teachers. It's important to study with an experienced and knowledgeable teacher who can guide you to the right direction and give you attention that you need to become a professional dancer. Now, you should train with various styles. A lot of people say, well, I want to become a ballet dancer. But you have to understand in the ballet dance, there's so many other styles of dance you need to be good in to execute ballet. For example, in order to be classical professional dancer, you need to start historical class. It's an 18th century dance. You need to know a character dance. You need to have acting classes. You need to have contemporary, which is one of the things that are right now very popular. So all those styles of dance makes you a professional classical dancer. So don't think that ballet dancer only can do ballet. They can do any other style of dance if they train properly. I'm gonna have another video about this, but be prepared for competition. The competition is a fierce in the ballet world. Be prepared to face many rejections in competitions. And I'm gonna really cover about this in the future, how to win competitions. That's gonna be a very interesting video. You'll enjoy it. Even if you get rejected, just keep going. Treat this as a performance rather than a competition. Once you have a skills, gain experience, you should start auditioning for professional ballet companies. And auditions, we're gonna cover this as well too. And I would say the most important thing is maintain a physical and mental health. I'm not a psychiatrist, but ballet, very, very psychological, very physical demanding profession. And it's important for any dancers to maintain that good physical, mental health by eating properly, balancing diet, getting enough sleep, the rest, taking care of your injuries that you probably have right now to make them disappear, or that will stay with you for the rest of your career. Let's talk about salaries. The salary of dancers can vary greatly, depends on several factors, including level of experience, the company you're in, the city you're in. So usually in the big companies, that if you dance in, like, let's say East Coast or West Coast, New York, San Francisco, it ranges from 30,000 to 150,000. Well, 150,000 probably the principal dancers, and 30,000 is when you probably join just now the company. Sometimes you have to supplement and do work 2 jobs. So you probably dancing in the morning and evening you're as a waiter or doing other services. Sometimes you have additionally kind of earn income from source like teaching as well too. Or you might have rich family who just support you to do what you love to do. Ballet dancers' career is not easy and it's not stable. So anytime you can get injured and you can stop your career momentarily. So you always have to kind of like have backing. Now the injuries, that is another subject I would like to discuss, comes from bad training. If you didn't align your body properly, if you didn't train properly, if you didn't stretch, you're definitely gonna injure and your career is gonna be very short as a ballet dancer. Vice versa to people who really had really good training. All right, so we talked about ballet as a profession. Now we're gonna talk about ballet as a hobby and to have it for fun. Because ballet is actually accessible for everyone. So if you're really interested in the classical ballet, you don't really have to start in the age of 5 or 6, all right? So here's the 10 reasons why ballet is actually beneficial and how it can improve your skills. Enjoyment of movement, the beauty and grace of movement may find ballet to be fun and satisfying hobby. Physical fitness. We're gonna do échappé, doing that, that's a lot of physical exercise. So if you do something like that about 25 times, you'll be pretty much exhausted. Self-expression. Now ballet can be very good for self-expression. As a dancing ballet, you can express yourself. So it's not just like, you're doing the Zumba and it's kind of like, the goal to get things done and get sweaty. But in ballet, you can actually listen to music and express yourself. So even if you're doing, like, let's say preparation, so I'm gonna go a little bit back so you guys can see me. Preparation, you're standing and you like, and 1, 2, 3. Everybody can do it. You can do it this way, or you can do it this way. And so you're kind of developing some type of emotion that how your body moves by listening to music. And that's your self-expression. Cultural appreciation. Ballet has a rich history and rooted in many cultures. Learning it can be a way to appreciate cultural heritage and values. Stress relief. Dance is actually very good stress relief. It can actually reduce a lot of anxiety and depression by moving your body and really expressing and being at the moment. Now, social interaction. Ballet is actually a great way to meet new people. So especially if you're in a new city, it's great to go to the ballet class and meet new people in your class with same interest as you do. Personal development. Ballet can help to develop discipline, focus, and perseverance, which can be beneficial in other areas of life. Coordination and body control. So if you haven't started ballet in a young age, I would not recommend taking this as a career or as a profession. But if you're older than 20 years old or 18 years old, you definitely should take it as a hobby and as a fun and try to enjoy as much as possible, because it's a beautiful fitness exercise, stress reliever, great for your discipline, great for motivation and for community. You actually meet a lot of friends when you go take ballet class. Anyone who is interested in ballet as a hobby can start by taking beginner class in a local dance studio or community center. The most important thing is to have fun, enjoy the experience, and not to push too much pressure on yourself. To become a professional ballet dancer, ballet is demanding and rewarding career that require dedication, discipline, and hard work. So whether you're a beginner or experienced dancer, ballet has something to offer to everyone. So why don't you give it a try? Hey guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button and like button. That will help us to really create some great content for you and share with your friends to inspire you everything about the dance.